Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change name of the file, picture, music file or a movie in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change name of our picture, for example, we can't do it from gallery. We need to go to our main menu, then here we have my files, and we are looking for our picture in our case. So we have little Mr. Dragon here, and tap and hold this little menu here, more, and rename. Dragon, rename, and now dragon.jpg is now the name of this file. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.